Black Friday deals on drones are delivering massive savings across popular models built for clear video, long-range flights, and dependable controls. Whether you want a travel-sized drone for simple filming, a stronger model for steady aerial shots, or a complete setup for FPV flying, these discounts give you room to upgrade without overspending. Each model here has been chosen for its real performance value and the price cut attached to it. All product links are in the description, and for live hourly updates, visit thedetailedguide.com. Let's get started. Number 14. CADDXFPV Walksnail Avatar HD FPV Goggles X. Now $436.99 from $509.99. These goggles offer a clear 1080p picture with a wide field of view that helps maintain awareness during fast movements. The large display creates an immersive flying perspective, and the low latency helps keep the visual feed responsive during tight turns. They work with Walksnail VTX systems, support HDMI and AV inputs for flexible setups, and include comfortable padding for long FPV sessions. A strong pick for pilots who want sharper visuals and smoother tracking. Number 13. Bwine GPS Drone with Camera 4K UHD F7 Mini. Now $127.99 from $159.88. This light drone gives you a 4K UHD camera with good clarity for landscapes and overhead shots. It includes GPS return, waypoint flight, and follow me, all designed to help new flyers gain confidence quickly. The combined 60-minute flight time makes it convenient for longer outings, and the foldable design fits easily into a small bag. Its stability in moderate wind and simple startup process make it a strong starter option for aerial filming. Number 12. Contixo F29 Altura Max 4K Drone. Now $399.99 from $499.99. This package includes a 5-inch screen remote so you can fly without relying on a phone. The 2-mile range gives you room to explore open areas, while the 2 batteries provide a total of 46 minutes in the air. The 4K camera captures detailed scenes with balanced color, and level 5 wind resistance helps keep the drone steady during outdoor flights. A well-rounded model for travel shooters and hobby flyers. Number 11. Bwine F7 Mini SE GPS Drone with 4K camera. Now $199.88 from $249.98. Built at only 238 grams, this drone is easy to carry and simple to control. The 4K camera captures clear footage, and the long-range transmission helps maintain video feed stability even at higher distances. Features like auto return, follow me, circle flight, and waypoint flying give you many ways to capture scenes without heavy manual work. With up to 70 minutes of combined flight time, it is suitable for anyone who wants dependable performance wrapped in a compact frame. Number 10. DJI Flip with RC2 screen remote controller. Now $509 from $639. This version includes the RC2 remote with a bright built-in screen so your controls stay responsive without depending on a phone. The 4K camera delivers clean footage with good sharpness, and the gimbal helps maintain stable shots during movement. Number 9. DJI Flip RC3N Drone with 4K UHD camera. Now $349 from $439. This compact drone focuses on portability while still offering a sharp 4K camera and a stable 3-axis gimbal. The long 13-kilometer transmission range lets you explore wide areas with a steady signal. Features like palm takeoff and auto return give you simple ways to launch and recover the drone without much effort. It is a solid pick for travelers who want clear footage without carrying heavy gear. Number 8. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. Now $309 from $389. This under 249-gram drone provides a full 62 minutes of combined flight time with its 2 batteries. The 3-axis gimbal keeps videos smooth even in shifting wind, and the 10-kilometer video transmission maintains clarity at distance. Quick shots add preset movement patterns for easy cinematic clips. Small, convenient, and reliable, it offers strong overall value for daily flying and travel recording. Number 7. Bwine F7 GIM Pro Drone with 6K UHD camera. Now $399.88 from $519.84. This drone is built with a 3-axis brushless gimbal that supports stable 6K images and smooth 4K 30 FPS video.
Its long-distance transmission lets you fly freely in open areas, while the GPS Smart Control adds auto-return, intelligent follow, and waypoint flight. The brushless motors help keep movement steady and quiet. It is a capable drone for creators who want high-quality footage without stepping into a premium price tier. If you just joined, we are counting down the best Black Friday drone deals available today. Every link is in the description. Number 6. B12 GPS Drone with Camera 4K. Now $119.99 from $199.99. This lightweight drone includes brushless motors for steady movement and lower noise. The 4K camera gives clear daytime footage, while follow mode, tap fly, and circle flight help automate movement for smoother shots. The foldable design makes it easy to pack, and the 45-minute flight time supports longer practice sessions. It has enough features to help beginners learn without feeling limited. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. Now $419.99 from $519.99. This drone offers strong performance with its 4K camera and reliable GPS-assisted flying. The upgraded image processing helps capture clearer aerial shots, while the long control range supports flights over wide open areas.
Number 4. Wefone 33 GPS Foldable FPV Drone with Screen. Now $149.99 from $299.98. The included controller has a built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen, giving you a live feed without connecting your phone. The 4K camera improves detail, while the brushless motors offer smoother flight. 2 batteries extend flight time, and the under 249-gram build keeps it portable. Number 3. GPS Drone F194 with Camera for Adults 4K. Now $101.99 from $219.89. This drone uses optical flow positioning to help hold steady during hover and slow movement. The brushless motors improve durability and flight control, while features like Follow Me and Auto Return keep flying accessible for new pilots. The 4K camera supports clear overhead views, and the foldable body makes it easy to carry. Strong value for its low price point. Number 2. AUOSHI GPS Drone with 4K camera upgraded EIS. Now $179.99 from $431.60. Electronic image stabilization helps smooth out video during wind shifts or movement. The upgraded motors and optical flow positioning keep the drone level in most conditions. Follow Me, Smart Return, and Waypoint paths give you guided flight options, while the 60-minute total flight time supports longer recording sessions. A balanced drone for users who want better video steadiness without going high budget. Number 1 delivers the biggest savings in this full drone lineup. Number 1. Holystone HS720E 4K EIS Drone. Now $199.99 from $599.98. This drone offers a stable 4K camera supported by electronic image stabilization that reduces shake and helps keep shots smooth. The brushless motors provide strong lift and controlled movement, and the 46 minutes of combined flight time give you space to record long clips. Its mix of features, ease of use, and the large discount make it the standout pick in this list. That concludes our countdown of the best Black Friday drone deals available. If this helped you, feel free to like the video, comment your favorite pick, and subscribe for more savings and updates.